Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, AI Data Hub. If you want to become a data engineer in 2025 but don't know where to start, this video this, this is for you. In this video, I'll explain the complete roadmap from zero to a job ready. Whether you are a student or career switcher or interested to learn new technologies, like this video is for you. So let's start. Uh, First of all, what a data engineer does. A data engineer is responsible for collecting, storing, and processing huge volumes of data. They build data pipelines, work with big data tools, ensure data quality, and support data analysts and scientists. And like I'm explained, uh, what a data engineer does. So, a data engineer designs and builds the scalable data pipelines, work with big data tools like Hadoop, Spark, and Kafka, and they transform raw data into usable data sets. And they supports analysts and scientists, and they ensure the data quality, availability, and performance. And what are the skills they used in this data engineering process? Uh, these skills are involved like ETL means extract, transform, and load, data pipelines, big data frameworks, cloud tools. These skills are involved in this data engineering uh, process. What next is, how to start with start with the foundation. These are the first steps you have to start. What are these? SQL. SQL is very essential and important for querying databases, and Python. Python is for scripting and data manipulation, and Linux. And you have to learn basic commands and shell scripting, and Git, GitHub for version control and collaboration. So start with these basic skills. And what next is, learn the core tools of a data engineer. These are the big data tools you must know to become a data engineer and big data engineer. What are the technologies? Hadoop, Hadoop and HDFS. You have to learn their skills, and Apache Hive uh, for SQL and big data, and Apache Spark. It is fast data processing. So and learn PySpark. PySpark is a Python API for Spark. So, and next is Apache Kafka for real-time data streaming, and Apache Airflow and Nife for workflow orchestration, and Apache. You have to learn Apache Scoop or Flume also for data injection. So, learn these core skills for big data. And what next is, uh, explore the cloud. Almost every company is using cloud services now. So focus on any one cloud like AWS, Azure, or GCP. Focus on these main services like in Azure, S3, Glue, EMR, Redshift, Lambda. Focus on these main services. In GCP also, there are some essential services like BigQuery, Dataflow, Dataproc, and in Azure also Data Lake, Synopsys, Data Factory, and some other essential skills in there. So you must have to learn these cloud services also. And next is projects. So build projects. Practice everything and start with small projects and scale up. So uh, turn the knowledge into a real world experiences, and build these small projects like a batch ETL project using CSV, Hive analytics, and real-time pipeline with Kafka, Spark, Hive, and AWS Glue job with the transformations, data lake using S3, Athena, or Hive, and build these small projects. And you have to gain knowledge. And the final step is resume. uh, Now that you have to build some projects, it's time to showcase and apply. So resume with projects and tools. So apply, time to add some, you are already done some projects, so add projects and tools to your resume. Practice SQL and Python and PySpark questions. Prepare for behavioral and tech interviews, and leverage LinkedIn and GitHub to showcase work. And practice mock interviews also. Give mock interviews. It will boost the confidence in you, so do that also. And the next is, thank you for watching this video. uh, if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe for more data content. Mm, and I have to say one thing at the last is, uh, stay curious and keep building. Start small, stay consistent, and keep building. So and this is today's video. Subscribe. Thank you. Bye.